Lord Jesus, I come before you now, my heart laid bare, my soul bowed low. All that I am, I give to you, for only in your love I know. I surrender, Lord Jesus, my life, my heart, my all. In your mercy, hold me near, and never let me fall. I surrender, Lord Jesus, in trust, in peace, in love. Take my hand and lead me home to your kingdom above. When storms arise and fears surround, when light seems lost, when faith grows small, still in your sacred heart